Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a nice sort of ice treat, and it's going to be flavoured with some nice sort of, tropical fruit sort of thing. So primarily pineapple with a bit of coconutty sort of background. So to that end, I've got one small fresh pineapple that I've just cut up into chunks, and this is all going into my food processor. Very simple recipe this. Basically we're just going to process everything. Get it in there. Alright. Like I say, that wasn't a huge pineapple. I'll show you a picture of that. Alright, next I've got the juice of 2 small limes. In they go. Now a lot of Granita recipes will call for you to make a simple syrup, and you can if you want, but I'm just putting my sugar straight in, and I've got 1/3 of a cup. That's just normal granulated sugar. And like I say, a little bit of a coconut background. I've just got 3/4 of a cup of some coconut water or coconut juice. So not coconut cream, not coconut milk, but the juice out of that coconut. Alright. Now we want to thoroughly whiz this up for a couple of minutes. You probably need to put the blade in it. Alright, so like I say, easy peasy. Now I've just got this plastic Tupperware type container. I've got a lid for that. I'm going to get my strainer. Get my mix, and I'm just going to strain that into that container, so all the pulpy bits of that pineapple, whoa, get that out. Yeah, I just want to push that through, but give it a thorough sort of mix around. So it ends up quite a reasonably shallow sort of dish. Can't see that way. So yeah, you can sort of see there, it's only like about a centimetre and a bit deep. I'm going to put the lid on that, but we're going to freeze this for 4 hours. But every half an hour I'm going to grab that fork and I'm going to scrape the top of it. And I'm just going to keep doing that, like I say, regularly every half hour or so. Alright, I'll show you that as we go anyway. Alrighty guys, so you just saw me doing that last little bit of forking of my Granita there. It's ready to serve, so I'm just going to serve it simply in a glass and going to eat it with a spoon, but I'm actually going to do two versions of it, or two glasses of it, because I just want to taste it by itself, and it's going to be beautiful by itself hopefully. But I also want to do like a bit more of an adult version. And by adult version, I mean I'm going to add this coconut beach I guess you call it a liqueur, but I don't know, I think it's very similar to, it's like an Australian version of what do you call that stuff, the Malibu sort of rum, which isn't really rum, but you know what I mean. It's only about 20% alcohol. It's got a really nice smooth taste. I'm not sponsored by these guys in any way, but it really goes well with these pineapple flavours. So, but I am going to taste the Granita just by itself to start with. So let's get our glass there ready to go. Alright, so I'll just give that one a taste. And I'll just show you up close, in full focus. So the thing with Granita is it's still got sort of ice crystals in it. They're sort of all broken up and really small, so you get that nice little hint of freshness and ice hitting you. Let's taste it. Yummo. It's just so delicious and refreshing. You get like I say, that the ice, but it's sort of because it's sort of broken up, you don't have to suck on it, it just melts in your mouth as soon as it hits your mouth, and it's just it's got a little bit of sweetness obviously from the pineapple and the sugar, a little bit of tartness from the pineapple as well, and a bit of sharpness from that lime juice. It's just delicious. It's really yummy, refreshing. Not much more you can say about it. It's yummo.